Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Minky Home Care Everyday 18-meter 3-tier era. This one is 18-meter drying space. Holds 12 hangers, flip out corners. Sturdy, hold up to 15 kg clothes. Strong and stable. This is what we got here. Is something that I ordered online for us to hang our clothing. You can use this indoor drying rack for indoor and outdoor use. Foldable cloth area with large 18-meter capacity. Cloth drying area with non-slip fit. I'm going to unbox this. Check it out. And see what it looks like. Very strong. So you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20. So you can bring this corner out as well. And bring the corner out this way, and also bring this out. So this is what we have here. Minky foldable air for indoor and outdoor use. And to fold this up, just need to pull this up and also do the same thing on the other side. You need to pull it up to come off from the center. Just need to pull it up, then it will collapse. To fold it is built with space in mind. You can see what it looks like. Very much happy with this. It deserves your attention. Thank you.